Hi, welcome to Design It with Tammie Gibbs. I'm Tammie, and I have some time sensitive news for all of you that have been on the fence about buying Artistly or any other of the Paul Ponna suite of products. Anyway, they're running a Black Friday software sale, and now is a great time to grab those. We know now, everybody's been asking, are they going to run a sale? Are they going to run a sale? And how much is it going to be off? So if you've been waiting on that, then now's the time to jump on it because you can save some money. And I'm going to put my affiliate links down in the description. Use it if you can't. That helps me out. It also, you can still use your codes. It'll still help me out. And I would love to see you get the software that you want to work with. So anyway, it's up to 40% off, and everything is not 40% off. So let's take a look at the different products that are included in the sale. You've got Clone Voice AI, you've got Video Express AI, you've got Artistly, ClickSites AI, Talking Photos AI, Human Pal, Doodle Maker, Human Talk, Video Creator, AI Video Builder, Avatar Builder, Human Bot, Sketch Genius, and then there's a software deal that has like 3 products in it. They're not these products up here. But anyway, this is a great time. As you know, that these products are a buy one time and there's no monthly fees. It's a lifetime deal. There are typically an intro package and then the deluxe package. This also includes those upgrades that you can do as well. You can still use the codes and you can get your upgrades as well. Okay, so Clone Voice AI. Now this one you would use Clone and it's $21 off on your plan. Video Express, getting a lot of good reviews now. That one is 20% off. Okay, so my dogs were barking crazy. Okay, so Artistly is 20% off, ClickSites AI 20% off, and Talking Photos 20% off. Human Pal is 40% off. And you'll just have to, you can click through to the ones that I've got listed. Doodle Maker 40% off, Human Talk 40% off, Human Bot 40% off, Avatar Builder 40% off, AI Video Builder 40% off, and Sketch Genius 40% off. Now they have the Video Creator, it's 40% off as well. And then this 3-in-1 software deal, which is an interactive video maker app, video sizer, video editor app. That one's 40% off as well. And as you know, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee that you can try them. Like I said, this is just a quick video just to let you know that this just dropped, just got announced. And for all of you that are watching and sitting on the fence, and the ones that like to help me out as well using my affiliate link, like I said, I'm going to have a list of those products down in the description. If you happen to want one of the ones that I did not include my affiliate link, if you will just send me a message, drop a comment and say, I need it for this one, I will send you and get you that link for that other one. I didn't link up everything, but I would love for you to use this because this is the one time of year that all of the time you can use your codes and I still get credit for it, but it kind of helps me out with the channel and everything. So if you've enjoyed my channel and you want to help me out, this is a great way to do it. So hope you get all the really cool software that you've been waiting for and you wanted to save some money on. Now's the time to treat yourself to a special Christmas gift. So anyway, going to pop off. All my other links are down in the description for all my other stuff, my playbooks, my other things. Y'all know how that works, but this is just for you. This is just to help you. All of you wonderful people who view my channel. This is to help you save some money. So anyway, have a great day. Happy creating. See you next time.